that comment. What is up, y'all? Right Lifestyle back with another video, man. And it's been a long day. I know I look rusty and crusty, and don't worry about this. You'll see why I got that in a second. Anyway, man, hope y'all been doing good, man. Hope y'all doing great. I'm maintaining, you know, working, contemplating why I'm working, but I'm working. Your boy out here tired, man. But got a package I came home to today, which made me feel so much better. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. Even though I might do it today, because y'all know I'm impatient. Like, as soon as I get stuff, I do it. So, it's something for Nemesis. She over there. But it's something for Nemesis. And, let's see what it is, man. If I can get this thing. Oh, look at this. Done broke the tip. All right, let's see. Try to get this. Let's see. Can y'all guess what it is, man? Oh shoot! Don't worry about that. Don't look at it. Guess what it is? Yeah, you right. It's my power stop rotors, but it's just the bottom rotors. I mean bottom. Wow. It's just the rear rotors. Actually, the front ones didn't come in yet. Who knows when they gonna come in? Look at those bad boys. Look at that. Driver side rear. So we gonna get rid of these musty and crusties and put the new and improves on there. After we get rid of the musty crusties, I got the slotted and the holes, man, because I like the way that look a little bit better. But y'all see Nemesis, man, out here looking delicious. But yeah, let's see what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm finna go in the house, give me something to eat first before anything, and then we're gonna go from there. So we'll be back. I was about to say bump it, dude over there cutting grass, but hey, I hope y'all can hear me. But I'm gonna just do it. Go ahead and get this car jacked up. So I went ahead and took the tire off, because I know y'all know how to do a tire. And if you don't know how to take off a tire by now, you can check out my earlier videos. Let's open this bad boy up. One thing I do like though is I like how it's labeled. It tells you which side, passenger rear. So I like that. All right, let's get these brakes taken off. Y'all remember how to do that? Yeah, no. We'll see. Fresh memory. But I'll fast forward through this part.
Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and got it on, slid it on. I know it's gonna look fire dire. Shit. Alright, y'all, just the look before we put the brakes and tires back on. That look good, don't it? A little different than what everybody else running. You know, people just got the slot, so it is got the solid. So I did both, man. Hit it with the 1-2, the 1-2 combo. You feel me? For the extra brake coolage. All right, get these brakes put back in, man, and then I'll be right back with y'all. Y'all, so I got everything on there, man. This is gonna be a quick video. So we're gonna throw this tire on, then I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it looked like from a distance. Let me get the other one knocked out, and that'll be it, man. So, oh yeah, that look way better, don't it? Oh, that look good. That look good, man. Brand new, old and busted. Yeah, I need the front ones to hurry up and come in, man. I don't know, they're taking so long on the front ones to come in. So, but that's what it looked like, man. I'm about to go ahead and knock out the other side. You know, that's what they're doing. That's what they look like. That's what they're doing. This is old cheap. This is the good one. This is cheapy cheap. This is the good. So, appreciate y'all for sticking around. I know, like I said, it's a short video, man. Just got off work, so I ain't got too much talking to do. Got to go in the house and eat in a second. But appreciate y'all for stopping by, checking out the channel today. And I'll holler at y'all next time. Peace.